Have you ever wondered how to create your own folder in the Heat Live app? It's super simple. You just go up to Add Group, name it whatever you would like. And then you go to your favorite channels. Let's just do Flow Racing. Select the folder you just created. There you go. So now you can have multiple folders for different members of the household. If you've been using this, you probably already know about the history function to watch some of your favorite things that you're binging. But if you are looking at a TV series that you want to watch in the future, I'll show you a quick way on how to add it to your favorites list. So let's say we want to watch this Flavor Town once we're done watching Landman. You just click on it and click Favorite. Once that's checked, at the very top here it's going to have your favorite and your history. You just click Favorite and it's going to have all your shows that you saved.